Today, let's go fishing with eggs. Crack the eggs and drop the basket into the stream. Catch the catfish.
Okay, let's go home.
First, prepare the fish. Use scissors and cut the pieces. Then add salt to the prepared fish roll. Add pepper. Add cooking oil. Stir well. Then skewer the fish onto the skewers. Turn the stove and grill the fish. Turn both sides evenly. Brush the sauce on the fish surface. Then take out the remaining fish to cook. Marinate the fish in the bowl. Add honey. Add mustard. Add turmeric powder. Add garlic powder. Stir well. Then roll in flour. Put the pot on the stove. Add strawberries. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Take it out to drain the oil. Add honey to the pot. Add chili sauce. Add pepper powder. Stir well. Pour the sauce over the fish and decorate on a plate. And enjoy!
Wash the octopus with water. Add salt and wash until all dirt is gone. washing, we cut off the octopus head. Now prepare the necessary ingredients. Finely chop onions. Use Thir's hammer to crush the garlic. With chili, we cut it into small pieces. Now is the time to cook. Heat a pan with cooking oil. Add onions and garlic to the pan. Stir until fragrant. Next, add fish sauce to it. When the pan boils, add the octopus. Add cola to it. Season the dish with salt, garlic powder, and fresh chili. Get it out. Oh my God, are you okay? Don't worry. Let me clean it up. Let me get you another can. Thank you. Bye-bye. Next step, we will cook rice. Pour rice into pot. I will cook rice with cola. Cook for 20 minutes. Stir well until the rice is completely cooked, then take the pot out. Done! Let's take a taste.
Delicious!
Korean bean paste. Now we'll take it to the cellar. Simmer for 30 minutes. While waiting, we prepare the other ingredients. Do the same with green onions. Take out the radish. And put the crab in the pot of broth. Finally, add coriander and green onions into it. Add onions, peppers, and garlic. Simmer for another 20 minutes. Take it out. Take the goby fish from the refrigerator and cut it into small pieces. Use a knife to peel the potatoes. Then cut the potatoes into pieces. Carrot, corn, bean. Heat a pan with cooking oil. Add onions and garlic to the pan. Add carrots to it. Then pour in the powder. Stir well, then pour white wine into the pan. Pour more milk into it. When the pan boils, pour in corn, beans, and potatoes. Add goby fish. Season the dish with black pepper and salt.